Hello, this is ChewDog Charts, and today we have a heavyweight battle royale. In one corner we have Visa, in the other corner we have Mastercard. This is going to go all 10 rounds, and the winner takes all. Let's first take a look at some statistics. This is from Value Penguin, showing the average credit card debt in America based on household net worth. At the low end of the net worth scale, from 0 to negative, we have an average credit card debt of $10,307 per household. At the high end of the scale, households that make over $500,000 have an average credit card debt of $8,139. This map shows the average credit card debt by city. A better rank indicates a lower amount of debt. Interesting, it shows that the Great Lakes region has a better debt indication versus, say, the South in the Texas area. Kind of looks like a weather map. Colder region, warmer region. And then the coasts are a mixture of worse to better. This chart shows the average credit card debt by gender, with men having an average credit card debt of over $7,400 and women having an average credit card debt of just over $5,200. Women have lower spending habits as well. They generally prefer debit cards. This chart shows auto and student loans along with mortgage loans, revolving loans, and credit card debt. And as you can see, we are approaching the peaks that we experienced in the 2008-2009 timeframe. So we're back on a credit card binge and an overall credit binge. This last chart from the St. Louis Fed shows the delinquency rate on all credit card loans. In the lower right, you can see that as of the second quarter 2017, we were at a delinquency rate of 2.47%. In comparison, at the height of the crisis in 2009, the delinquency rate was 6.77. Prior to that, it generally ranged from about just over 3% to about 5.5%, going back to 1992. So the current rate in comparison is relatively low. This chart is the 20-year monthly chart of both Mastercard and Visa. Visa is the black line, whereas Mastercard is the red bar chart. And you can see going all the way back to mid-2008, both price charts have moved in a very similar fashion through the decline in 2009, both bottoming at this point and then accelerating into 2014, where there was a bit of consolidation and then re-accelerating for the most part into the current time frame. So both companies are leaders in the ever-growing debt market, and both stocks have shown very similar moves. But let's go look deeper to see if one is better than the other for the future. This chart shows the revenue increase since 2009, with Visa posting an increase of 333%, while Mastercard increased revenues by 193%. Now, Visa is the world's largest transaction processor with about 44% of the credit card transaction market and 65% of the debit card transaction market, whereas Mastercard is well behind at 29% of the credit card transaction market and 24% of the debit card transaction market. So it looks to me like Visa has the edge here because the larger market means more merchants and more transactions. This chart shows the increase in earnings, with Mastercard showing an increase from late 2009 of 637%, while Visa increased by 480%. Part of the dip for Visa was due to the acquisition of Visa Europe. Regardless, it looks like Mastercard has the edge. I give Mastercard this round. This chart shows the percentage change in dividend, with Mastercard holding a significant lead over Visa since 2009. For this round, it goes to Mastercard. This chart shows the payout ratio and the cash dividend payout ratio. Both rates are near 20% for both companies over the past, say, 3 to 4 years. Both are very consistent, therefore this round is a tie. This chart shows the change in the PE ratio since late 2012, with Visa having a PE of 41 and Mastercard having a PE of 34.5, Mastercard wins this round. So there you have it. It looks like Mastercard won more rounds than Visa. However, Visa is clearly the heavyweight. Which company would you choose? Post your comments. For me, I'm on the sidelines as I do not hold any shares in Mastercard or Visa, either long or short. So for today, that's ChewDog Charts. Thank you.